सबसे पहले एक बार सभी प्रोग्राम से जुड़ जाएं, प्रोग्राम से जुड़
Music connects us to the mind, so please put your hands together and welcome the students of grade 5 for melodious version.
मैडम मैडम
from grade from
आधे घंटे
from grade 8 elite. May every glow and every cheer bring warmth and joy throughout the year. We pray for health, success, and grace, and see a smile on every face. The night of Diwali, I will respected principals, vice principals, teachers, and my lovely friends. Mrs. Meenakshi, deeply honored to stand before you to celebrate this triumph of light over darkness and hope over despair. Today, we are gathered over here to celebrate this festival of light, symbolizing the victory of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance. I'm delighted to share a viewpoint on this beneficent occasion. It's a wonderful feeling to talk about Diwali. Diwali is the world's biggest and the brightest festival celebrated by a million of people all over the world. This is the only festival which fills our community with so much joy, color, and most importantly, hope. At the heart, Diwali is a simple but powerful message. Goodness wins over the darkness. The light we see everywhere celebrates ancient story of Lord Rama who returned to his home after defeating the evil. People are so happy to see him as they light up their whole city with clay lamps called diyas. Today, we light these lamps to remember that victory and to remind ourselves to always choose kindness.
Please appreciate all the performances by clapping. Equal claps, but in the same way as you were taught. Not like this. Not like this. One practice we will do. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Shake your hands. Claps, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 times. 3 times. After every performance, only you have to do claps, go, without raising hands, without shaking hands. Right?
तो देखा आप सभी ने, हमें पटाखे जलाते समय अपने साथ एक पानी की बाल्टी जरूर रखनी चाहिए।
मैं हूँ पंछी राज, झुकेगा नहीं, उड़ेगा, पर मैं उड़ नहीं सकता। लोगों ने मेरे पंख खिला दिए हैं, लोगों को तो एक ही लक्ष्य हो गया है, बम मार डाला। पता नहीं इंसान कैसी दिवाली मनाते हैं। धरती पे तो चलाते ही है, अब आसमान में भी चलाने लग गए हैं। हाँ हाँ, हमें दिवाली पे दिए जलाने चाहिए और मिठाइयाँ खानी चाहिए। हाँ, बहन, दिवाली तक अपने घोंसले से बाहर मत निकलना, अपना ध्यान रखना। ठीक है बहन।
हम सब एक शपथ लेते हैं कि घर वालों की रक्षा करेंगे,
तुम भी शब्द लो,
घर में
शब्द लो, तुम भी
उसका पोषण करेंगे
शब्द लो।
और खुशियां मनाएंगे। दिवाली का असली अर्थ होता है घर को दियों और रंगों से सजाना, परिवार के साथ समय बिताना, हरियाली को लाना, प्रदूषण मुक्त दुनिया बनाना। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन शुभ हो।
What a thoughtful message. The real Diwali is when our hearts glow brighter than the lamps around us. श्री राम 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूरा करके अयोध्या आए। श्री राम 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूरा करके अयोध्या आए। सबने मंगल गीत है गाए, सबने मंगल गीत है गाए। Now let's enjoy a heartful Hindi poem by Palvi Anand Lavika and Seven Kaveri expressing the colors, emotions and the lights of Diwali in simple soulful words. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. नमस्ते जी, आप सभी को दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बहुत साल पहले जब एक राजा था, दशरथ उसका नाम था। उसकी 3 रानियां थी, कौशल्या, सुमित्रा और कैकेयी। तीनों ही उन्हें प्यारी थी। उनके 4 दुलारे थे जो उनकी आंखों के तारे थे, राम, लक्ष्मण, भरत, शत्रुघ्न। मंथरा नाम की दासी थी, बड़ी दुष्ट, बड़ी चालाक। भरत उसको प्यारा था, राजा उसे बनाना था। केकई को उसने भड़काया, एक नया षड्यंत्र रचाया। राजा बोले, क्या चाहते हो? कुटिल कैकेयी जरा मुस्काई, राजा से है बात सुनाई। राज भरत को वनवास, राम को दे दो, मुझको दो वरदान। राम को वनवास हुआ, सीता लक्ष्मण ने साथ दिया। लंका का राजा रावण था, सीता को उसने पाना था। उसने भेजा स्वर्ण हिरण, जिसने सीता को मोह लिया। हिरण चाहिए, मेरे प्रभु मुझे हिरण चाहिए। राम गए हिरण की ओर, सीता को लक्ष्मण संग छोड़। बचाओ बचाओ आवाज आई, तुम भी जाओ लक्ष्मण भाई। लक्ष्मण ने रेखा बनाई, कोई पहुंच न पाए सीता माई। रावण साधु बनकर आया, भिक्षा की आवाज लगाई। भिक्षाम देहि, सीता से रेखा पार कराई। उसने हर ली सीता माई। लौट के राम कुटिया आए, सीता को आवाज लगाई। सीते कहाँ गई तुम सीते? सीता की खोज में हनुमान ने हाथ बढ़ाया, अपनी सेना साथ मिलाई। युद्ध हुआ, चारों ओर घनघोर। राम ने रावण को मार गिराया और सीता को वापस पाया। लौट के राम अयोध्या आए, सबने मंगल गीत गाए। घर घर में फिर खुशियाँ आई, सबने फिर दिवाली मनाई। धन्यवाद, आप सभी को दिवाली I repeat again, what was the name of Lord Rama's father? Yes, the right answer is Raja Dasharatha. Please clap for them and 1 point goes to Team Smart Sparkles. My third question is to Team Knowledge Cracker. What is the name of the goddess worshipped on Diwali? I repeat again, what is the name of the goddess worshipped on Diwali? I pass this question to Team Golden Lamp. Yes, the right answer is Goddess Lakshmi. Please clap for the Golden Lamp. 1 point goes to Golden Lamp. Second round, the first question is to Team Brilliant Diya. What was the name of Ravana's capital city? What was the name of Ravana's capital city? Ravana's. Yes, the right answer is Lanka. 1 point goes to Team Brilliant Diya. My second question is to Team Smart Sparkle. What was the name of Lord Rama's son? Lavankush. Yes, the right answer is Lavankush. Please clap for them. 1 point goes to Team Smart Sparkle. My third question is to Team Knowledge Cracker. What was the name of Lord Rama's brother? There are some more brother of Lord Rama. More. Yes, the right answer is Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughan. Please clap for them. My fourth question is to Team Golden Lamp. What was the name of Lord Hanuman's mother? I repeat again, what was the name of Lord Hanuman's mother? The question passed to the Brilliant Diyas. Yes, the right answer is Anjana. Please clap for Team Brilliant Diyas. My second question goes to Team Smart Sparkles. What is the meaning of word Diwali? I repeat again, what is the meaning of word Diwali? Yes, the right answer is Festival of Lights. 1 point goes to Team Smart Sparkles. My third question is to Team Knowledge Cracker. Who was the son of Queen Kekai? Yes, the right answer is Bharat. Please clap for Team Knowledge Cracker. My fourth question goes to Team The Golden Lamp. What was the name of the Lord Rama's mother? Yes, the right answer is Queen Kaushalya. Please clap for the Team Golden Lamp. My next question goes to Team Brilliant Diya. Who was the mother of Prince Lakshman and Shatrughan? Yes, the right answer is Sumitra. Please clap for them. My next and the last question is to Team Smart Sparkles. Who was the sister of Demon Ravana? Yes, the right answer is Surmila. Please clap for Team Smart Sparkles. My next question is to Team Knowledge Cracker. Who was the demon killed by Lord Ram? I repeat again, who was the demon killed by Lord Ram? Yes, the right answer is Ravan. Please clap for Team Knowledge Cracker. Another question is to Team Golden Lamp. Who was the Guru of Lord Rama? No, it's the wrong answer. It will pass to the another team. Who was the Guru of Lord Rama? The question passed to audience. Who was the Guru of Lord Rama? The right answer is Guru Vasishtha. My third question is to Team Smart Sparkles. What was the name of Ravana's brothers? What was the name of Ravana's brothers? Meghna? No, it's the wrong answer. The question goes passes to Team Knowledge Campus. The question passes to Team Golden Lamb. Vibhishan and Kumkaran. Yes, the right answer is Vibhishan and Kumkaran. Please clap for the Team Golden Lamb. So my last question is to audience. Which demon helped Lord Ram to kill Ravana? Kindly raise hand to answer the question. Which demon helped Lord Ram to kill Ravana? Please raise hand to answer the question. Yes, the right answer is Vibhishan. Please clap for the audience. Who has answered the question? Please come on the stage. Two teams are winner, Team Brilliant Dia and Team Smart Sparkle. Please clap for them. Wonderful energy. Join your hands for Brighten Dia and for Sparkle. Please give a huge round of applause. Through this quiz, we have learned so many new things about your mind. Jams can hurt your feet, but never your heart. It's time to move from questions to expression. It's time for a vibrant dance.
Digambaraya
here comes a performance with a message we all need to hear. Please welcome the students of grade 6 to 8 for a beautiful scene.
बहुत साल पहले जब मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री राम 14 वर्ष के वनवास से लौटे तो अयोध्या नगरी में एक ऐसा उजाला छाया जिससे धरती भी मुस्कुरा उठी। तब लोगों ने हर घर हर आंगन में दीप जलाए थे क्योंकि वह दिन अंधकार पर प्रकाश की विजय का था। हाँ हाँ, प्रकाश की विजय का था। आइए तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि अयोध्या के लोगों ने दिवाली कैसे मनाई थी।
अजय सर डांस वाले।
और कभी उन जानवरों के बारे में सोचा
बैठ जा, आजा।
सोचा है कभी उनके बारे में? बेचारे पटाखों की वजह से डर जाते हैं, काम में लग जाते
पीछे
हैं।
खड़े।
खुशियाँ
beauty of Diwali lies in the peace. So let's promise together to make this green Diwali by making our earth, birds and animals feel safe and free. So now I would like to call Sukhmanpreet and Ramanpreet from Blessed Science for their speech on Bandi Chhod Divas.
Please welcome them with your hearty clap.
राज न चाहूं मुक्ति न चाहूं, राज न चाहूं मुक्ति न चाहूं, मंजीर चरण कमल ले। आप सब लोग बंदी छोड़ दिवस की लाख लाख बधाइयां।
सारे प्यार के साथ श्री अकाल में सुमनप्रीत कौर
ते मैं सुखमनप्रीत कौर
आज सारे देश मंच बंदी छोड़ दिवस के पावन अवसर पे अपने कुछ विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
श्री गुरु हरगोबिंद साहिब जी सिख पंथ के 6वें गुरु सन। आपके के पिता का नाम श्री गुरु अर्जन देव जी और माता का नाम माता गंगा देवी जी थी। आपजी का जन्म 15 जून 1596 में गुरु की विद्यालय अमृतसर विखे होया। आपकी गुरुगद्दी 11 साल की उम्र में प्राप्त हुई।
दो हमारा बनिया एक मेरी थी एक पीली थी, दो हमारा बनिया एक मेरी थी एक पीली थी, एक अजन्नत थी एक रात थी, तुझी राखी करे नसीब थी, तुझी राखी करे नसीब थी। मुगल बादशाह जहांगीर ने हुक्मनामा श्री प्रहार मोदी जी को अफगानियत के लिए देशबंदी बना लिया, जिससे उन्होंने नाम गुलजार हिंदू राज्य की कहते हैं।
जहांगीर के जुल्मा के खिलाफ विरोध हो गए। महाराज ने अपने 52 हिंदू राज्यों को रिहाई करवाई। उन्होंने अपने 52 कड़ियां वाला चोला सवा के 52 हिंदू राज्यों को भी अपने नाल मुक्त कराया।
ਜਦੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਖੁਸ਼ ਦੇ ਅਵਸਰ ਤੇ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦੀ ਮਨਾਈ। ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਨੇ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਦੇ ਵਿਰੁੱਧ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਉਠਾਈ।
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਡੋਲ ਰਹੋ। ਅਡੋਲ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੰਦੀ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਵੀ अपनी भक्ति से गुरु का विश्वास नहीं छड्या।
One of the cute little volunteer of our school wants to showcase her talent.
So please give eager claps for her.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अहिल्या बाई होलकर है। मेरा जन्म महाराष्ट्र के गांव में हुआ था। मुझे बचपन से ही पाठ पूजा और लोगों की सेवा करना बहुत पसंद था। समय बीतता गया। मेरे परिवार वालों ने मेरी शादी करवा दी। शादी के बाद मैंने देखा कहीं भूख, कहीं दुख, कहीं अन्याय। फिर मैंने फैसला किया कि जब भी मुझे मौका मिलेगा मैं लोगों की सेवा करूंगी। मैंने सड़कें बनवाई, कुएं खुदवाए, मैंने मंदिर का निर्माण करवाया।
That was truly electrifying. Truly, when we dance with happiness, the air around us starts smiling.
I hope we all enjoyed and learned something from today's event. So now I would like to call our honorable principal sir for his guiding words and appreciating the students who won in the quiz. Please, sir.
Namaste all of you. I extend my warm greetings to all of you on the auspicious occasion of 5 days Festival of Lights, which begins from today, and it is Dhanteras. That symbolizes the prayer for Lord Dhanvantri, and the next day, which is known as Choti Diwali. On that day, just we remember Lord Krishna, where he killed the demon Narkasur, who captivated 16,000 women, and that killed by Lord Krishna. Then the Festival of Lights, Deepavali, in remembrance of Lord Rama returned from exile of 14 years, killing the demon king Ravana. And in remembrance of returning of Lord Rama, people lit the lamp of in Ayodhya. The Festival of Lights also symbolizes to a very historical event, Bandi Chhod Divas, where Shri Guru Hargobind Singh Ji was released. Because historically, the festival has a lot of significance. And if we look back in the history that the Mughal Akrantas time and again they attacked on India, and the people of this land, they protected, and because of that we are sitting here. So the participants also, they have given a very beautiful message through the different skits. They told us that we should be very careful while burning crackers, exactly in the presence of elders, we should burn crackers. Also, that the theme came out of we should not burn crackers also. So we can take the midway, we can burn crackers but in a limit. We should not burn too much or must not waste much of the money. As the tradition goes, we can burn but in a limit, not harming much of the environment also. Exactly, children have depicted that the burning of too much crackers also harmful for animals as well as for birds. But that again, we have come to the conclusion in a limit we can go for it. I also congratulate to all the participants for today's event. Give a huge round of applause for them. I also appreciate the efforts of Aryabhat House team that they made their best efforts. Give a huge round of applause for them also. Anchoring team, they have also done very well. The students' participation also gives us the message that we should not hesitate. And we must keep participating in the events whenever you get the chance. Again, with the senior students, when after 8, I was just thinking while sitting there, when children were dancing in the last event, many of the students are sitting there in now 9, 10, 11, 12. When they were in their age also, they also used to participate a lot. But I don't know what it happens when you go in the senior class, you give it up. I think whatever the talent we all blessed, परमात्मा ने जो हमें एक टैलेंट दिया है, मुझे लगता है उसको छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर लोग ये टैलेंट छुपाते तो फिर ये टीवी पे प्रोग्राम्स में ये बड़े कैरेक्टर नहीं आते, सारा काम बच्चे ही करते. So I believe you will take care of this one. This talent should not be hidden, which is you are blessed with. So then after Diwali, Govardhan Pujan, again in remembering of Lord Krishna, and followed by Bhaiya Dooj. All festivals have their own significance. During this 5 days festivals, we also remember our ancestors. उनकी भी पूजा होती है. And it's not only on this land, it's worldwide. आपने सुना होगा Halloween word. It is celebrated as a festival in the Western world. Again, it is also the prayer for their ancestors. So whatever the culture festival we have, that is also worldwide. Diwali is also celebrated worldwide. In case of that Bhai Dooj, it is a very old tradition that the brothers, they go to sister's house and मैं थोड़ा सा उसको डिटेल से रीड कर रहा था. उसमें मैंडेटरी चीज़ लिखी हुई थी कि जब ब्रदर्स जाते हैं तो वो उस दिन दोपहर का खाना सिस्टर के घर से खाना होता है, तो जरूरी. The traditions, cultures, they are not new. This is 10,000 years old. 10,000 पुराना ये सब चीज़ों का इतिहास है. ये कोई आजकल की बनी हुई चीज़ें नहीं है. So I believe that what are the things traditionally we come to know and being followed, they have their significance with the scientific also, and we must follow it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So now I request.
I have an expectation from each one of you because next 5 days are with you. When you people come to school, that you have a routine. You get ready in the morning, have your breakfast, reach to school, have your classes, going back, self-study, playing, maybe tuitions, whatever. Now the 5 days are with you because you have 5 days holidays. tomorrow is Sunday, and then 20, 21, 22, 23. We will be back on 24th of October. So I think these 5 days must be planned and worked by you. That what is your time for your self-study and how I have to handle the phone. Especially the senior classes, they must see, especially board classes, they have very less time. They must plan for their revisions, utilize their time in a perfect manner. And junior students, your teacher will be giving you certain assignments. I conveyed them, and work also. Just get it done in the morning only, 9 to 11. सुबह काम complete करो, then you're free. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a good speech. So now I request Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir to reward teams Brilliant Dia and Smart Sparkle for their win.
कर लो